Do you end up throwing out a lot of food because it went bad? LG new bottom freezer keeps food at ultimate freshness with inverter linear compressor. Linear cooling minimizes temperature fluctuations down to plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. And with DoorCooling Plus, everywhere of the refrigerator can evenly be cooled. Adjust optical temperature levels for meat, fish, and vegetables. Fresh Balance maintains optical humidity of vegetable and fruit. Express Cooling provides 29% faster cooling to store just brought foods fresher. Do linear. Enjoy nature fresh. LG new bottom freezer.